Hello everyone! Welcome back to Boost English video tutorials. In this video, we are going to talk about some silent letters that seem to get missed when many non-native speakers are first learning English. I'm not saying that it could cause miscommunication if you accidentally pronounce those silent sounds. It'll just make you sound a little more fluent if you're aware of these small rules. So this time, we are going to focus with the silent B in the MB spelling. Again, silent B in the MB spelling. Are you ready? When we talk about the silent B in the MB spelling, it only happens at the end of the words and in about 10 words. But I want you to be aware about it, like the word climb. Just because you see the letter B at the end of the word doesn't mean it's voiced. That means its final sound is M and not B. So it's climb, not climb. Get it? This rule is actually simple. If a word ends with the letters MB, that means the B is unvoiced or voiceless. For example, comb, bomb, lamb, thumb, limb. Very good. But just to make it clear that we can still add the necessary grammatical suffixes to the word, and the B is still silent. For example, climb, climbs, climbed, and even climber. Do you know why? Simply because even if these words no longer end in MB, we need to focus with its original root word, which is climb. But always remember that in every rule, there's always an exception. The silent B in the MB spelling is just for the end of the word. Again, end of the word. Alright? So never miss the B sound in the words number, remember, combine, etc. That's all for today. You can learn other interesting English videos by subscribing to this channel. Thank you so much for listening. Once again, I am Ellie from Boost English. See you next time. Goodbye.